everyone. In our last lecture, we delved into the complex task of measuring poverty and inequality. Today, we are going to take a step back and ask the big question: why do poverty and inequality exist in the first place? Is it just bad luck, or are there deeper structural forces at play? The poverty puzzle, a multifaceted challenge. Poverty and inequality are like a tangled knot with many different threads contributing to the problem. There is no single cause, and different factors can interact and reinforce each other in complex ways. Let's untangle some of the key threads. Historical legacies. The legacy of colonialism, slavery, and other forms of historical injustice continue to shape patterns of poverty and inequality today. Many developing countries are still grappling with economic and social consequences of these past injustices. Economic structures. The global economic system can be rigged against developing countries, making it difficult for them to compete and prosper. Think of the unfair trade rules, volatile commodity prices, and the debt burdens. Political systems. Corrupt or ineffective governments can squander resources, stifle opportunity, and perpetuate inequality. Lack of democracy and political participation can also have marginalized groups without a voice. Social barriers. Discrimination based on gender, race, ethnicity, caste, or other factors can limit people's access to education, healthcare, jobs, and other opportunities. Environmental factors. Climate change, natural disasters, and environmental degradation can disproportionately affect the poor, pushing them deeper into poverty and exacerbating inequality. The vicious cycle. Poverty begets poverty. One of the most frustrating aspects of poverty and inequality is that they often create a vicious cycle. People who are born into poverty are more likely to face barriers to education, healthcare, and decent jobs, which in turn makes it harder for them to escape poverty. This cycle can be passed down from generation to generation, perpetuating inequality and limiting social mobility. The way forward, a multi-pronged approach. Tackling poverty and inequality requires a multi-pronged approach that addresses the root causes, not just the symptoms. This might involve economic reforms, promoting fair trade, investing in infrastructure, and creating a more inclusive financial system. Social policies, investing in education, healthcare, and social safety nets to protect the most vulnerable. Political reforms, strengthening democratic institutions, promoting good governance, and combating corruption. Addressing discrimination, challenging discriminatory practices and promoting equal opportunities for all. Environmental action, investing in climate resilience and sustainable development. The causes of poverty and inequality are complex and interconnected, but they are not insurmountable. By understanding the root causes, we can start to develop effective solutions that create a more just and equitable world.